Stop being chained to your computer. Let's unlock the freedom of managing your Wix website right from your phone. First things first, download and open the Wix Owner App from your App Store. It's your key to mobile website management. Once you're in, log in with your usual Wix account credentials. You'll see a list of your Wix sites. Tap the one you want to edit. This takes you to your project dashboard, ground zero for controlling the functions on your site. Now for the magic on the bottom navigation bar. You'll see a plus button. Tap Edit Site. This jumps you right into the mobile editor, where you can make off-the-go changes. Tap any element on your page to edit it. For instance, tap on a text box to change the words. Use the tools at the bottom to tweak font, size, and alignment and make it perfect for your site. Want to swap out a picture? Simply tap the image, then tap Replace. You can choose a photo from your phone's gallery or even Wix Media. But it doesn't stop there. Tap the menu icon in the top left to access your site settings, blog posts, store details, or bookings, all easily managed from your mobile devices. All done. Hit the Publish button to make your changes live, and there you have it, seamless management of your Wix website wherever you are. Give this video a like if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more Wix tips, and let me know in the comments what other Wix tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.